Got poison ivy while trying to find a spot to pee? Having trouble pitching a tent? Does your dehydrated food taste like shit? Do you want to take a break from simply just being a human? Then the brand new emotional support blanket poncho will be perfect for you. Just curl up into a ball under the blanket and cry about life. Put it into pillow mode so you can scream into it, or just become one with the poncho, and it'll solve all your problems. Just see what our customers have to say.
It's so nice.
Get yours today for a limited time only.
Warning, may attract dogs.